Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. So this is gonna be actually a compilation of vlogs of what I did during this week. So I'm gonna put some timestamps in the description so that you can skip to whichever part you want to. So yeah, enjoy the video and please watch it till the end. So finally I've reached. So this is the place I used to play my god. There are so many memories that are in relation to this place. And from here we can go down to this door, which is like a office or something. Wait, it's locked. You find there's a bed and table and all this books and this mirror. Okay, it's really blur, but still I have so many memories in relation to this place. And this is actually my older house, right? So there were no, I did not have any friends who lived near my house, so I used to be all alone, and I used to play here all alone. I know this place is not that big, but it's so special to me actually. And these are all the books that have been collected by my grandfather. Seriously, I've loved those books. I've read some of them and they are really great. And this is me here again. Yes, my pop socket broke, so the phone cover looks really ugly now. But what can be done? Oh, I forgot to show you my today's outfit. It's a hoodie, Puma hoodie with jeans and this shoes. So now finally we are on the terrace. This place is really cool. From now actually there have been really many buildings here. Like you can see that's a hotel. You can see here whatever. That's the hotel. Here this building was not present before now, but now it has been built. So yeah, it's a really cool place. So now I'm gonna sit on this. Actually, if I go up there, the view will be more nice because here I have to move around the whole terrace, which I don't want to do seriously. Okay, we are going now. I'm really scared because this staircase moves a lot. I wish my phone doesn't fall, otherwise if this phone breaks, my mother is not gonna buy me another phone. Okay, I'm scared of heights. Okay, I'm not gonna go too up. I'll just go here. Here the view is this. I can't move my body. I'm scared. Okay, let me zoom in and show you. Okay, there are like really light scenery from those are the hills of Meghalaya. Yeah, I'll show from here. I can't show you the trees covering the whole scenery. Freaking tree. Okay, now I can show you the hills properly. Those are the hills of Meghalaya. It's really green and it's really beautiful. Hey guys, so this is my ugly sister. Yes, today I've brought her for content. So you know my vlogs are incomplete without food. So today we have Uncle Chips. Yes, today the budget is really less. I think my calories are gonna increase to up to 1000 now. But still, who cares? Good. Some things about me. Honestly, okay, honestly.
Yeah, she shares everything with me. She shares her secret only to me. Thank.
Angel,
Huh?
তুমি মাত্ৰ মহ খালা ন?
Yes.
এতিয়া তোমাৰ মহবিলাকে গোটেই তোমাৰ পেটত কণী পাৰিব
Oh my God.
আৰু তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ মুখেৰে গোটেই সৰু মহবিলাক ওলাই আহিব।
Please.
Hi guys, so today is 12 Feb, just 2 days before Valentine's Day, and I'm going with my mama, mommy and my cousin to an fair expo, whatever you call it. I want to tell you that it doesn't take place on a field, it takes place on a well concrete building. So yeah, I'll meet you when I reach there. Bye. So we have finally reached after so much traffic. Oh god, pimple. Now we are having momos outside because inside the food is really costly. So I'm back home now, and if you ask me what I bought from the fair, just these two rubber bands, all because of my chindi behavior. Because seriously, they were selling things which cost 10 rupees in other places for freaking 40 rupees. So yeah, I just bought these two rubber bands which costed me like 100 rupees. And also the momos were so bad, seriously. I just ate them because I was really hungry. I think this is my second time telling about the momos. Caffeine, I think caffeine works best for me and it makes me feel so energetic and lively. Yes, this is Dabur honey. This is Dabur honey ka dabba, which I'm using for storing coffee because I just buy 10 rupees sachets. Okay, we are done. This cup actually I got as a prize when I was small. Yeah, for some competition. I danced maybe, I don't remember. But I'll say that I'm really bad at dancing. I suck at dancing, seriously. Oh god. Black coffee with no sugar. Because calories. Already you can see all this bulging out fats. And I'm having too much of junk food. Now also I'm gonna have some junk food. Which reminds me I should work out more and eat some really healthy food. Fine, I'll do it from tomorrow. So now I am having some chicken lollipop. Oh my god, they do taste so good. It's clearing my palate from the bad taste of those momos, which costed like 60 rupees. And also I bought some spicy chips outside the fair. I ate half of them in the car, and I would like to say that after eating those, my stomach, heart, liver, everything was on fire. But still, I'm gonna eat them because I don't want to waste my money. I know tomorrow my toilet is gonna be on fire.
মিঠা মিঠা কথাৰে মন উপচাই লেজুকি চাহনিৰে বেথা পাহৰাই